Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share with you some lessons I learned from the movie Moana, a stunning and inspiring story about a girl who restores the heart of a goddess and saves her people. Moana is a movie that teaches us about the power of determination, passion, and balance. It also shows us that we all have something to explore, even if we are bound by traditions and expectations. The movie follows the journey of Moana, the daughter of the chief of Motunui, an island in Polynesia. She has a strong connection to the ocean and feels drawn to explore beyond the reef. However, her father forbids her from sailing as he fears the dangers of the sea. He wants her to stay on the island and prepare to be the next leader of their people. Moana respects her father, but she also feels restless and unhappy. She learns from her grandmother that their ancestors were voyagers who traveled across the ocean and discovered new islands. She also learns that their island is suffering from a curse caused by the demigod Maui, who stole the heart of Te Whiti, the goddess of nature. The curse is spreading across the ocean and will soon reach Motunui. Moana's grandmother tells her that she was chosen by the ocean to find Maui and return the heart to Te Whiti. Moana decides to follow her destiny and sets sail on a raft, with a rooster named Haihei as her companion. She finds Maui, a cocky and charismatic shapeshifter, who initially refuses to help her. However, after being attacked by pirates, monsters, and a giant crab, he agrees to join her quest. Along the way, they bond over their stories and struggles, and they learn from each other. They eventually reach Te Whiti, but they are confronted by Te Ka, a fiery demon who guards the island. Moana realizes that Te Ka is actually Te Whiti without her heart. She bravely approaches Te Ka and restores her heart, turning her back into Te Whiti. Te Whiti thanks Moana and Maui for their courage and generosity, and restores life to the ocean and the islands. Moana returns to Motunui with Maui's blessing and her people's admiration. She becomes the new chief and leads her people to resume their voyaging heritage. One of the most inspiring quotes from the movie is, "There's no telling how far I'll go." This quote is said by Moana several times throughout the movie. She uses it as a mantra to express her desire to see what lies beyond her island and to fulfill her potential as a wayfinder. She also sings it as a song to inspire herself and others to follow their dreams and passions. This quote reminds me that we all have something we want to do or see, something that makes us curious and excited. But sometimes we face obstacles or limitations that make us doubt ourselves or settle for less. We should not let them stop us from doing what we love and discovering new possibilities. We should follow our hearts and our instincts. We should also seek help and guidance from others who support us and believe in us. So, next time you feel like you are stuck or bored, remember this quote from Moana, "There's no telling how far I'll go." And then find your adventure and confidence to do it. And then share it with others and see how you can inspire them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration from it. If you haven't seen Moana yet, I highly recommend it. It's a beautiful and uplifting movie that will make you smile, cry, and sing along. And if you have seen it, let me know what you think in the comments below. What was your favorite part? What did you learn from it? And what is your exploration goal? Have an amazing day.